Alex. Alex, say hi.
Hello.
Sean's still here. My hair is a mess, and it's okay because we are in the show. We are in the show. Saying how much he likes
I like this. I'm gonna
overpriced Volkswagen products. On a quest to find.
Sean fit this car.
This is the all-new Audi A5 Sportback road trip.
It's small. Look at these shoddy paddles.
It's
mirrorless.
It's frameless.
Oh my god! The latest innovation in rear view
Nah,
mirrors.
this is cool. You just pass your finger
A
over it.
frameless
It's on.
rear view mirror. Sean is going to try out the all-new Audi S3's interior.
Oh no. No.
But first, it's the rear seat Doug DeMuro style.
No headroom.
No headroom. That's the tall person's take on the all-new Audi S3 interior. Audi Q7,
Right.
nut brown, leather interior.
Saddle brown.
How does it feel to be sitting in the back of Audi's largest flagship SUV?
I have headroom.
He has headroom.
10 out of 10.
That's the tall person's take on the Audi Q7, Audi SQ5.
Flat bottom steering wheel. It's very
Flat bottom steering wheel.
Yeah. 19 speakers.
That is
of
big.
Pure fun. Oh, nice exhaust.
Yeah,
I can
nice
totally put
exhaust.
my hand all the way through these exhausts. But the real one's right under it. Everything's fake.
"6'3" Sean is getting into the back seat of a Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe.
Alcantara feels like crap compared to Audi.
It feels like it's plastic.
Part 2 of the saga, trying to get him out of the back seat.
Sean, how tall are you?
6'3".
Swarovski crystals in a Mercedes-Benz S-Class headlights.
Yo, can you imagine if I shut his clothes on my finger?
I think one of the few cars we came here for today is not this red GLC 63 AMG.
Now I want to take a look at this.
G-Wagon, all new generation G-Wagon. Got a brand new chassis under here. It's finally a car deserving of the luxurious Mercedes-Benz credibility.
Oh, that feels nice. That feels high quality.
When PJ decides to see his 16-year newer car.
Yeah. I mean, look, it's basically the same. You have this same logo on it.
Four
It's
wheels.
Like,
It has
it's a
four
star.
wheels.
Yeah, it has 4 wheels. Yeah.
A steering wheel.
It has a steering wheel.
Sunroof.
A new revolution.
A sunroof too?
Lights.
It's literally the exact same car.
Gesture control work on this car?
I don't think this car is gesture control.
Why doesn't it work for me? It's such a gimmick. Everything is such a gimmick. I'm perfectly fine in my 2006 Passat.
Sitting in the all-new BMW 6 Series GT, what are your thoughts?
It's not a 6 Series.
We got here the all-new BMW X4.